first question is, why do donors need a trip?
35 people giving $30,000. What's the number? $1.2 million.
Okay.
That's better than any charity campaign.
And
It's
they pay for the
covering,
trip.
and they pay for the trip because we don't want the dollar to come out from the organization's pocket.
So that is the best strategy.
Strategy for fundraising.
Instead of a charity campaign that's going to cost a lot of psychosis and time from not
Exactly.
only you, also from the sheer, it's going to take away the people and everything.
Exactly.
And make your people feel mad or whatever with the links and the ganze Sache.
Exactly. And harassment now charity
What's that trip
became
to
a trip to
Morocco?
Morocco.